welcome to our channel. In this video, I am starting the concept of binary number systems. The question is, what are these binary number systems? The answer is, these are all the digital weights represented in numbers of different forms. In this, we will see the different types of conversions. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಆಕ್ಟಲ್, ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 9. ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 8, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 7. ಈಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇಂದ ಎನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. Here decimal first letter is D. This D stands for division. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore, the decimal point in the left side is number 29. It is divided by 8 to convert into octal. 8 in the divide madre, 8 3 is 24, remainder is 5. Idralli we have to consider the numbers from bottom to top, that is as 35. Therefore, the octal representation of 29 is 35. Ega decimal point in the right side irunta number, that is 0.3. 0.3 into 8 is 2.4. Here we have to consider the point which is left side to this decimal point as 2. Again multiplying the decimal point right side to it. Therefore 0.4 into 8, 3.2, considering 3. 0.2 into 8, considering 1. 0.6 into 8, considering 4. 0.8 into 8, considering 6. Again 0.4 into 8. For a ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ this process will repeats. Therefore, in this we have to consider the numbers from top to bottom as 2, 3, 1, 4, 6. Therefore, the octal representation of 29.3 is 35.23146. Similarly, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Ili decimal antandre 16, that is 16 numbers, that is from 0 to 15. Adre idralli we will represent 10 by A, 11 by B, so on up to 15 by F. These are all the hexadecimal representation. Here we will divide the number 385 by 16. 16 24 is 384, remainder is 1. 16 ones are 16, remainder is 8. We will consider the numbers from bottom to top as 181. Therefore, the hexadecimal representation of 385 is 181. Next, decimal to binary. Binary means 0 and 1. We will divide 124 by 2. 262, remainder 0. 231, remainder 0. 215, remainder 1. 27, remainder 1. 23, remainder 1. 21, remainder 1. We have to consider the numbers from bottom to top. Therefore, 11, 111, 00. The binary representation of 124 is 11, 11100. Next, any other number system, that is octal or hexadecimal or binary number system into the decimal number system conversion. Idralli opposite to the division, that is multiplication, we have to carry the multiplication process. Hege antandre, ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 ಸೊ ಆನ್. ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. We will see the octal to decimal conversion. Consider the given octal number system, that is 13.30, represented by 0, 1, 2, represented by -1, -2. Therefore, 1 into 8 to the power of 1 plus 3 into 8 to the power of 0, 0.3 into 8 to the power of -1 plus 0 into 8 to the power of -2. By simplifying, we get the decimal representation of octal 13.30 is 11.375. Similarly, hexadecimal to decimal, consider the given number system. represented by 0 1, 1 into 16 to the power of 1 plus f into 16 to the power of 0, that is 16 plus f. In hexadecimal, f means 15, therefore 31. The decimal representation of hexadecimal 1f is 31. Similarly, binary to decimal represented by 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, represented by -1 -2 -3 and so on, that is as 1 into 2 to the power of 7 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 6 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4, so on. Point 0 into 2 to the power of -1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of -2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of -3. By simplifying, we get 182.375. This is the decimal representation of this binary. Or another method is, ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 8 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್, 8 numbers means that is from 0 to 7 as 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1 up to the 2 to the power of 7. Consider the given numbers 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Add the numbers which is having the 1 digit, that is 128 32 16 4 and 2. Adding all these numbers, we will get 182. This is the decimal representation of binary. Next, octal to binary conversion. Here octal means 8, that is 2 to the power of 3. 3 means 3 numbers, that is from 0 to 2. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2 as 1 to 4. Therefore, the octal 0 in binary representation is 0 0 0. Octal 2 binary representation 0 1 0. Octal 7 binary representation is 1 1 1. The conversion is, consider the given octal number system, that is 72. Represent each digit with their corresponding binary representation in octal. 2 as 0 1 0, 7 as 1 1 1. Therefore, the binary representation of octal 72 is 1 1 1 0 1 0. Similarly, 4.35 in octal, consider the each digit separately and represent it by their corresponding binary numbers. Therefore, the binary representation of 4.35 is 100.011101. Next is binary to octal. Again, octal means 8, 2 cube, that is 3 numbers. Therefore, we will divide. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಆಕ್ಟಾಲ್ 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ 3 numbers. Therefore, we will add, ಇಲ್ಲಿ we will add 2 numbers as 1 0 0. Here also we will add 2 zeros, 0 0 1. Therefore, the octal representation of 0 0 1 is 1, and the octal representation of 0 or 1 0 1 is 5. Octal representation of 1 0 1 is 5. Octal representation of 1 1 0 is 6. Octal representation of 1 0 0 is 4. Therefore, the octal representation of this binary is 155.64. Next is hexadecimal to binary or binary to hexadecimal number system conversion. Here hexadecimal means 16. 16 means 2 power 4. 16 means 2 power 4. Here 4 terms means that is from 0 to 2, 0 to 3, that is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to 2 square, 2 cube, that is 1 2 4 8. Therefore, hexa in hexa of 0 is binary 0 0 0. Hexa of 5 in binary is 0 1 0 1. Hexa of 9 in binary is 1 0 1 0 0 1. Hexa of 12, that is C, as 1 1 0 0. This is the hexadecimal to binary conversion. For that, consider each digit separately. Represent each digit with their corresponding binary in hexadecimal as D, that is 13 as 1101 and 2 as 0010. This is the binary representation of hexadecimal D2. Next, binary to hexadecimal conversion. Here ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಈ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ hexadecimal, that is 4, therefore we have to divide by 4 terms. Here we will add 3 zeros for hexadecimal. Here also we will add 3 zeros for hexadecimal. Therefore 0001 001 in hexa is 1 and 1011 1011 in hexadecimal is B. 0.0110 in hexadecimal is 6. 1000 in hexadecimal is 8. Therefore the hexadecimal of this binary is 1B.68. Next is hexadecimal to octal or octal to hexadecimal conversion. To convert hexa to octal or octal to hexa, we have to convert them into binary. This is the mediating term for hexa to octal conversion or octal to hexa conversion. Therefore we have to, here we have to convert this octal 72 into hexadecimal. Therefore first we will convert this octal into binary. 72 as 111 and 010. This is the binary of this octal. And for hexadecimal we will divide it by 4 digits as 101 and 11. We can consider 2 digits here. Therefore 0011 in hexa as 3 and 1010 in hexa as A. Therefore the hexa representation of octal 72 is 3A. This is the KSET 2017 question of general paper. The question is, which one of the following is correct? First we will consider the A option. They are asking the conversion from decimal to hexa. To convert decimal to hexa, we will divide the number by 16. That is 16 ones are 16, remainder is 0. Therefore the hexadecimal representation of decimal 16 is 10. Therefore 10, that is 10 as A. Therefore this option is not a correct conversion. Considering the B option, that is decimal to octal divided by 8. Therefore 8 10, 8 ones are 8, remainder is 2, that is 12. The octal representation of 10 is 12. Therefore the option B is not the correct conversion. Therefore consider the third option, C option, 20 into binary dividing by 2. 2 tens are 20, remainder is 0. 2 5 10, remainder 0. 2 2 4, remainder 1. 2 1 2, remainder is 0. Considering from bottom to top as 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. Therefore the binary representation of 20 is 1 0 1 0 0. This is the correct number system conversion. Therefore for this question the answer is C option. Next is KSET 2018 question. The question is, this is the question from the physical science paper. The question is, the number 216 is represented in the binary number system as. Since this number is without the decimal point, I will go for another method. That is, here in the options we are having the 8 digits, 8 numbers, that means 0 to 7. 0 to 7 means 2 to the power of 0 1, 2 square is 4, so on up to 2 to the power of 7 is 128. And to form 216, 128 plus 64 192. 192 plus 32, it will be greater than 216. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ನ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ 0. Again 192 plus 128 plus 64 192. 192 plus 16 208. Therefore we can consider this number, therefore 1. Again 208 plus 8 is 216. Again, we'll consider this number, and for these numbers 0 0. Therefore, the binary representation of 216 is 110110000. Therefore, for this question, the answer is B option. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.